going on, everybody? On today's video, we're making salsa verde for our tacos dorados. Stay tuned. Welcome back, everybody. Today we're making salsa verde for our tacos dorados. You will need cilantro, green onion, garlic, limes, onions, tomatillo, and chile serrano. Stay tuned. And ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to wash your cilantro, wash it down. All right, we're gonna take these out to the grill and roast them. All our stuff right there. The onion already smooth. Now that our vegetables are roasted, we're gonna put them in the blender. And I think this is considered a fruit. Take our cilantro.
We're gonna squeeze these limes.
Now we'll blend. Now we taste for seasoning. If you need salt, you add salt. If you need lime, you add lime. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to mine. And some more lime juice. Now your salsa's ready.